Okay, so today I'm just holding my camera. I have this 18-inch, I think it's an 18-inch. I'm going to wrap all the way around with this ribbon. And then we are going to put this huge Merry Christmas sign in the middle. I bet I've had this in my closet for 4 or 5 years. And it's so big, you can't put it on a wreath. And so what I'm going to do is put this in the middle, hang it on the wall, and then put my kids' pictures around it. So let me finish wrapping this and I'll come back. Okay, so I have it all wrapped. And what I'm going to do is take this sign and I'm going to use this red floral wire to attach it on each side. And then we'll look at it. All right. So what I did was I just glued these on. I used E6000 and hot glue and just glued it onto the ribbon. And it seems to be holding up just fine. And then I took these little white picks off of a Christmas tree from the Dollar Tree. These came off of the berries from Walmart. And these are the little beads that fell off that decoration on the black and white wreath. And that's it. And that is going to go hang on my wall. And then I am going to do some canvas photos of my family. Thank you.